Today we are relaunching our Swedish Homestead channel.
Welcome to a whole new Swedish Homestead experience. When we started our YouTube channel in 2016, we didn't really know what we were getting into. We were just uploading a few videos to see how it all worked. But then something happened.
We're just so blessed and overwhelmed by so many subscribers and so many wonderful comments and encouragement.
After less than 2 weeks, over 2,500 people had started to follow our journey. Very soon, viewers from all over the world knew about us. Our channel has been growing ever since, and we started to receive messages and emails almost daily.
People started to ask us questions like, which chicken breeds do you use? What should I feed my cows? How do I start homesteading? How can I live off my homestead?
We were really overwhelmed, but we were also realizing that we needed to take this whole YouTube thing more serious. But then doubts were starting to come in.
I'm just blown away that people would want to be part of our lives and find it interesting.
We weren't sure if our story was one worth sharing.
But then we saw over and over again the impact that this kind of homesteading and farming had on our land. And among lots of failures over the years, we also had some great successes and lots of awesome stuff happening, and we thought, yes, we need to share this with you guys. And also when we failed and we learned so much from that, we thought we need to share this as well to help you guys not to repeat those things.
One thing that's kept us going through this whole time and has been really encouraging is all of the support we've gotten from you guys. All the nice comments, the nice messages, and even just people that wrote us and asked us these questions, because it showed us that we were being used in somebody's life.
And how you've stuck with us through these times where we couldn't post so much, and you have shown so much support both financially and emotionally to us. We are so thankful for that. That is what has kept us going. During 2019, you haven't seen that much of us, and we haven't posted very many videos. And that's because we have been working very hard on creating some awesome stuff for you guys.
We still want to focus on providing you with the same great content and homesteading experience that you've gotten from us, but we will be posting videos more regularly, so you'll see a bit more of us.
Yeah, you don't have to worry that what you love about the Swedish Homestead will change. But we are extremely excited to announce a bunch of new stuff for you guys. We're super stoked to announce a brand new website for you, SwedishHomestead.com, that will offer you a ton of homesteading resources and homesteading fun. There'll be free homesteading articles. We have an all new Swedish Homestead store where you will be able to order gifts and products that are made on our Swedish Homestead. Some of those you remember from our famous Swedish butter knife video that has several million views now, and there are also some other products, and I hope that you will go and check them out. You should order them as soon as possible if you would like to have one of those products before Christmas. As you can see, we also have some brand new Swedish Homestead merch. Go check that out. The links for that are also on the website store. Our YouTube channel has gotten a completely new look. We have a new logo, as you might have seen. It still has the same kind of features in it as our first logo did. And we have a new header image that just shows you right away what we have to offer and what we're doing, what we're all about. The same look goes through our Facebook page, through our Instagram page, through our new website. We also have a new channel trailer, and we would love to share that channel trailer with you right now. Hey everyone.
Hi.
Our names are Simeon and Alex. We are husband and wife, father and mother, YouTubers and homesteaders, and our family has been pursuing the homesteading life. Several years ago we left a normal life and a town shop behind, and we are now living on the homestead, growing almost all of our food ourselves. We've also created several revenue streams on our homestead to make this whole lifestyle work out practically and financially. But our journey hasn't always been so easy.
No, it's been full of lots of struggle and many times where we have wanted to give up, and it's become so overwhelming for us, but we haven't given up and we don't want to. Yeah.
Still going strong. We started this YouTube channel to share our journey with you guys and to be an inspiration and encouragement to you and your dreams. And on our channel you can find how-to videos, you can learn about keeping livestock, we have forestry videos or gardening videos, and you can learn how to make homesteading work practically and financially. You'll also get to experience a Scandinavian homestead and get to enjoy cultural aspects of it all. We think that our experience and knowledge will help you a lot, and we hope to serve you in your own personal journey to finding home and your homesteading dream.
We are airing videos every week on this channel, but there's even more content and special live streams if you join the channel and become a member. Just click on the join button next to the subscribe button on our channel's landing page. And we have a website that offers a lot of resources for you, and we will be adding content regularly.
If you're also desiring to pursue your dream and are on a journey to finding your home for a more sustainable life, we think that this channel is perfect for you. Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it, and you'll be notified anytime we air a video. You won't miss anything, and I think we can really help you, inspire you, come alongside you. We're super excited for you to join us, follow our journey. Hope to see you soon. We wanted to make sure that your new Swedish homestead experience wouldn't be different in a bad sense to what it has been, but that it would be different in a better sense. We still want to provide everything that you love about the Swedish homestead, but even better and even deeper. And so we have actually started a channel membership, and maybe you don't know what channel memberships are. We have a video about that as well that we would like to share with you right here. We just started a channel membership, and if you want to get to know us more or get more personal help or dig deeper into the homesteading life, then I believe that this is for you. A channel membership basically is a monthly subscription where we offer you bonuses and a more personal experience of the Swedish Homestead YouTube channel. We have 3 different levels of membership at the moment, and for the level 1 you will just be able to show some gratitude towards us since it costs money to produce these videos, but you'll also get member exclusive videos and you'll have comment priority since we receive thousands of comments and we can't reply to all of them. We'll be offering live homesteading Q&As every month for level 2 members, as well as some merch discounts for you, and you'll have the chance to be part of the Swedish Homestead Facebook coaching group where we'll be able to share and ask and answer questions. As a level 3 member, you'll be able to submit your choice of topic and questions for these live Q&As, and we'll be able to spend some time focusing on your issues, your challenges, and we'll make sure that you'll get your help and your questions answered. You can find all the additional information below, all the features and perks that we offer for this membership. We are very excited for this, for a deeper Swedish homestead experience for you. And remember, you need to be above 18 to become a member, and you can cancel at any time. So hope to see you become a member of the Swedish Homestead channel. One of the most exciting things in this whole process over this last year or so has been the ebook that I've been writing. And we are very excited to let you know that our ebook is almost done. It is not going live tonight, and as we air this video, all the other things are going live, but the ebook is not quite ready yet. However, you can already go to the website, you can find the link even below in the description, and you can read about the book, what it is all about, what will be in it, and we hope that by next week we'll be able to make that book available for you guys as a PDF and audio version as well. I have a video here as well where I can share about what this book is about and what it has to offer. Here you go. Hey everyone, my name is Simeon from the Swedish Homestead YouTube channel. I wrote a book called the SelfSufficient Homestead. It is a practical guide to create revenue off of your homestead, and I would love for you to buy this book if you are in the transition into the homesteading lifestyle. If this is your dream, I believe it can help you prepare for this journey, give you some hands-on ideas how to make it work practically, and just help you to avoid a lot of heartache and failure. I think there are a lot of challenges to homesteading, but personally I believe that finances is the biggest one. Either you are not able to get into homesteading, you don't have the funds, or you struggle to make it work financially long term. Starting a life is hard, but making that transition into a new life, a transition into a better life, that is where I feel most people fail. I was born and raised in Germany. My dad was the owner of a successful business. In the mid-90s, my parents built their dream house in Germany. But because of different reasons, it was just a very stressful life and they wanted to change things. So in 2002, my parents sold their house, they sold their business, and they bought an old rundown farm in Sweden. And me and my 3 siblings, we tagged along and made this move over half of Europe to this abandoned farm. And we cut down trees, we started to get animals, pigs, chicken, cattle, we built fences, and that was my first experience of homesteading. And I'll share about this story in a bit more detail in our book, but to summarize it all, there were a lot of struggles and it was not an easy time all the time. Today, I am married to my beautiful wife Alex, and we have 4 children together, and we ourselves run a small farm here in Sweden. We lease actually my parents' land, and we grow almost all of our food ourselves, but we have also grown food for other people, and we've started up several different revenue streams on our land to make this whole lifestyle work. In this book, I have combined a bunch of my knowledge and experiences that I've gained over the last years, and I think that they will really help you to prepare for your journey. And I will be giving you some reality checks. I will be evaluating your life and dreams and help you to plan this transition into your new life. And then at the end, I will give you some hands-on ideas to create revenue off of your homestead. Let me share real quick with you guys what Justin Rhodes from the known Justin Rhodes YouTube channel shared. He said this about the book. I read Simeon's entire book. It was wonderful and will be a help to thousands. I can see his heart and soul bleeding through the script to help others discover the joy that he has found in growing his own food. I love this guide mostly for the role it places on the reader. You can't enjoy this book unless you're willing to act on it. It's a workbook in nature, which is very appropriate. Too many folks are in analysis paralysis and are hiding behind the excuses of study and research, when in reality they just need to get started and get their hands dirty. This book will help folks bridge the gap of where they are and where they truly want to be. I'm super excited about this book as this is part of my life story. It is a combination of an autobiographical work, a textbook, and a workbook. You will have to work a lot through it. The 3 main steps in this book, and they're very detailed, and then there's a detailed worksheet at the end of each step that will walk you through your life and your dreams for each of those steps. It will be available as a PDF digital download on our website swedishhomestead.com, and we will also have an additional audio version of the book. Now it is important to know that you cannot purchase just in the audio version of this book, since it is a workbook and you will have to do some reading and writing, some printing out and taking notes. So we only offer just the PDF or the PDF with the audio version so that you can listen to the book and the different steps, maybe on your way to work. I hope that this book can help you on your journey to finding home, and that it will be a help to a more self-sufficient and independent lifestyle that you dream of. I have poured my heart and soul into this, and I really believe that you're both going to enjoy it, gain from the experience and stories that I share, and that you want to start your dream or start it over with new enthusiasm and excitement. Thank you so much. So we hope that you guys really are as excited about this whole thing as we are, that you will check out all these things, and that you are super excited for all the new features, the membership, and us posting on a more regular basis. We are and we can't wait to get in touch more with you all again and to hear feedback on everything that we have. And we are actually looking forward now to a time with your parents who are going to be arriving tomorrow here to Sweden. You all know that they have been battling cancer, both of them, last year. And many of you have asked how they are doing, and they are doing much better.
Yeah, you'll get to see some of them in videos.
Yeah, definitely. So, super excited. We hope that you'll all have a good finish of the week here and a good weekend, and we'll see you very soon.